Welcome to the Bay of Bones. One of the most unique archaeological sites on Lake Ohrid, near the camping site Gradishte in Macedonia. This remarkable open-air museum is a reconstruction of a prehistoric settlement built on wooden piles above the lake, dating back between 1200 and 700 BC. Archaeologists discovered thousands of wooden stakes, animal bones, pottery, and tools on the lakebed, giving this place its name, the Bay of Bones. The site shows how ancient tribes once lived directly above the water, fishing, trading, and protecting themselves from invaders. Today, visitors can walk through the reconstructed huts, explore a small museum with original artifacts, and even dive into the waters to see the remains of the original settlement. It's not just a step back in time, it's a living window into how people adapted to life on one of Europe's oldest lakes more than 3,000 years ago.